And in the farther down the intestine, if you could be born without bacteria, they've created situations with cesarean birth of rats and dogs and pigs and such, and keeping them in a germ-free environment. They find that everything develops perfectly. In fact, the animals live longer and are very resistant to obesity and diabetes and degenerative diseases.
Okay.
They
have a very high metabolic rate too, don't they?
Yeah. They're very much like the
furnace is
calorie restricted animals, and fat-free diets where they don't have the so-called essential fatty acids. Those animals have an extremely high metabolic rate too. And so the calorie restriction and being free of germs both stimulate your ability to oxidize food, produce energy, and prevent obesity, and be generally healthy and long-lived. So something is happening in the intestine that the bacteria are responsible for. And the main thing that it turns out that the bacteria are doing is usually converting starch. Starch is the main bacteria-promoting food. The bacteria living on these foods that we don't digest produce endotoxin, and the endotoxin, everywhere it reaches a human cell, stimulates the production of nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is on the demobilizing side of the balance. It turns off metabolism, slows down oxidation.
Okay.
So it's the main reason that having too many bacteria in the intestine creates obesity and lethargy and short life.
Is it all forms of starch that will promote the endotoxin production, or
no? If they're very well cooked,
right,
and easy to digest, and aren't complexed with fibrous material, the difference would be a corn tortilla that had been processed in alkali to open up the starch granules, making them easy to digest, versus the bean carbohydrates, the type of polysaccharide that human enzymes can't work on, are ideal for feeding bacteria.
Hence all the gas.
Yeah.
It's not good for you, folks.
When they've experimented with rats on this type of soluble, indigestible fiber, the ones that get the fiber that supports the bacterial growth become anxious and aggressive. They're fearful, and so they fight too easily.
All right, so there's a definite connection there.